Seems like a good weather outside. I should go for a quick walk.
Yip, yip! La la la! Oh no! A giant mud puddle! Aw, how do I cross? Oh no! I'm all muddy and messy!
Don't worry, Sparky. Ranger Roddie is here to help.
But Roddie, I can't go into my cozy den like this!
We'll get you squeaky clean in no time. Let's go find a nearby pond, Sparky, to clean the mud.
Is there water there?
Let me get some fresh pond water for us, Sparky.
How will we hold the water?
Look over here. Yes, let's use this natural log trough to help you clean the mud. Here we go. 1 full log of fresh, clean pond water.
Yay! Fresh water!
And look what I have in my pocket. A soft white washcloth to clean the mud completely. Let's soak our washcloth. Sparky needs our help to get all clean. Can you rub your hands together with us? Splash, splash, swish, swish.
Rub, rub, rub! Splash, splash!
Swish, swish, swish. Look at that brown mud wash right off.
Tickles! It tickles, Roddie.
Almost done. Just a little bit of mud left on that fluffy tail. And all clean. Not a single drop of mud left. Whoosh! Time to shake, shake, shake. Oh, a forest water shower.
I'm all clean! Look at me!
High five for Sparky. Give us a high five at home, too. Up high. Look at you, Sparky. Now you can head back to your cozy cave all clean and fresh.
Yay! No more sticky mud. Thank you for helping me clean all that mud, Ranger Roddie.
You're very welcome, Sparky. And thank you to our friends at home for helping us scrub. Bye-bye, friends. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more forest adventures.
See you next time. Bye!